Hey everybody, we're here at Hang 10 Car Wash, Route 50 location in Winchester, Virginia, and we're going to go ahead and redeem a free car wash for, I believe, $25. Everybody is giving me the Hang 10, more like 2 make Hang 20. So anyway, stay tuned and we will get a wonderful hanging wash. Alright guys, and we're gonna get their $25 wash. I got the pink and teal conveyor with the teal. Give me some space there. That's good. And that was another awesome Hang 10 car wash location. And they were also very, very nice. And so I have to give them a amazing plus. This is absolutely an amazing facility. And looking here, they have everything available to fit your wants and needs. And it looks like someone will help dry your vehicle. Thank you for watching and peace out.